Hi everyone. So in this video, I will be solving the first coding question for second shift 20th March. Okay. So this was the exact question which got asked in the second shift. Okay. We will be solving this. And I would say this question is not easy. Okay. And definitely the cutoff will drop. Okay. For this shift because both questions were of medium level. Okay. Second question was hard. So the cutoff for coding will be less for this shift. Okay. So let's talk about this. Okay, so as I said previously also, it depends upon luck that what kind of coding questions you are getting. By the way, if you want to practice and you want to prepare for TCS NQT, the mock test series link will be in the description. Okay, just go to the live test. Okay, because already we have very less time. So see, today's test which are coming for the exam, they are very like topic focused and weightage focused. So the live test which we are providing, they are very similar to the actual exam. So you can basically give these live tests and you can judge your score. So numerical is coming hard, so we are providing numerical hard. Reasoning and English is coming easy, so we are providing that easy. Okay, so that kind of difficulty, same kind of topics you will be getting in the mock test. So definitely you can enroll in the mock test series. The link will be in the description. Many live tests are currently ongoing of TCS level. Okay, now let's start. So the question says you are given n pairs, sort them by first element ascending. If the first element are equal, sort by second element ascending. Okay. So very straightforward question. Okay. Input and output is given as here. Okay. So there are total n pairs. So first of all, this is the value of n. 3 means 3 pairs will be there. So the first pair is 3, 6. Second pair is 2, 4. Third pair is 7, 8. Okay, now we need to sort them by the first element. If you will see what is the smallest element here, so which is 2. So 2, 4 will come first, then 3, 6 will come here, 3, 6, and then 7, 8 will come here. Suppose there are same elements. So suppose the input is looking like this, in which 3, 6 is here and 3, 4 is here. So first we will compare with the first element. Okay, both are same. If both are same, we will compare with second element. So second element is smaller here. So 3, 4 will come here, then 3, 6 will come here, then 7, 8 will come here. So first we need to compare with the first element. If the both elements are equal, then we need to compare with the second element. Okay, so this kind of sorting we need to do on pair. So this was the sorting question which got asked. Pretty straightforward. Okay, how we will solve this question? First I will be talking about the approach. Okay, so what could be the approach for solving this? We need to sort them, right? If we want to sort them, okay, first of all we need to write a custom sort function. Okay, a custom sort function. How that custom sort function will work? Okay, how that custom sort function will work? It will check in the pair. It will check in the pair. First it will compare the first elements. Okay, first element of the pair. Okay, and if the first element is equal, then we will move forward with the second element, and then we will compare the second element of the pair, right? This is the thing which we need to do. So this kind of custom sort function we need to write. Second thing, okay, how we need to sort this? Okay, how we need to sort this? This is the sort function. Okay, how we will be sorting this? Okay, so what we will be doing, we will be finding out the smallest first element from the list. So if you will see here, this is the list. Okay, the smallest first element is 2. Okay, so first we will be checking, we will be looping the whole loop. After looping the whole loop, okay, we will be checking the first smallest element from the pair. When we will be getting that, we will be swapping that with the first index. Okay, then after that we will be swapping that with the second index, right? Like that. Okay, so first if we will run a loop on this, smallest element is 2. We will after swapping, it will look like, suppose 2, 4, 3, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, so it will look like this when we will when we will swap it with the first index. Okay, this one, because 2 is the smallest. Then we will check here, then again we will check here. So 3 is smallest now. Okay, so no swap will happen. Then again 7 is the last element, no swap will happen. So final sorting will be 3, 2, 4, 3, 6, and 7, 8. This is our approach. Okay, let's take any big example with multiple values so that this question can be clear to you. Then we will directly jumping to the code. Suppose the example is 2 4 3 4, okay, 4 6 3 6, okay, then 5 8. Suppose this is our example. Okay, so how we will be sorting this array? Okay, the first thing is to loop the array and find out the smallest value. So if you will check here, the smallest value is 2 in the first element. We will swap it out. We will swap it with the first index. So it is already on the first index. So after one phase, the array will look like 2 4 3 4 4 6 3 6 and 5 8. Then again we will start from here and we will check it out the whole array. Okay, the smallest element here is 3, but now there are total two threes, right? This one 3 and this one 3. We have two threes now. Okay, what we'll do here, what we will be doing here. Okay, so if we have two threes, okay, we will be comparing the second element in the sort, right? And whatever the element is smaller, we will be placing that at that index and we will be swapping that. Okay, so here if you can see here, so 3 4, this is the smallest. So there will be 2 4 at the starting, then there will be 3 4, then again there will be 4 6 3 6 and 5 8. Okay, because again no swapping. Then these two places are secure. Now we will start from here. What is the smallest element? 3. Any other same element? No. So 3 6 will come here and it will swap this place. So 3 6 will come here, 4 6 will come here, and 5 8 will come here. So this way we will be getting our sorted array. Okay, so that's how we will be performing our operations for sorting. Okay, so let's jump to the solution. Let's see the solution. Also in the pin comment you will be seeing the solution code. Okay, let's start. So first we are writing a custom sort function. What we have discussed, we have two pairs. One pair which will be holding the first element and second element. Then we will be having the pair 2 which will be holding the first element and second element. Two pairs will be there, right? How will we will be sorting the pairs? If A dot first is not equals to B dot first, if both are not equal, okay, both elements first are not equal, simply we will be returning A dot first is smaller than B dot first. Okay, that way we will be checking our sorting. Okay, but suppose this is not the condition. If both elements are equal, if both elements are equal, then we will be comparing the second element. So here we will be writing A dot second is less than B dot second. Okay, that's how we write the custom sort functions. Okay, so generally if there is no condition like this, simply we can say return A dot first or less than B dot first. But if they are equal, we need to compare the second element. So that's why we are returning A dot second less than B dot second. So this is the condition of custom sort. Okay, if the both elements are not equal, simply we will return A dot first is less than B dot first. If they are equal, we will be returning A dot second is less than B dot second. Okay, now we will be writing our custom sort here. Okay, we will be using this function. We will be writing custom sort. We passed our vector here. Okay, vector containing the pairs. Okay, we will be storing the size. We will be making one loop. Okay, first we are assuming the minimum index is the I. Matlab starting index is only the minimum index. We are assuming that. Okay, we are initializing the value. We are starting the jth loop with I plus 1 with the last element. Okay, till the last element. Okay, we will be doing j plus plus. Okay, then we will be using this is smaller function to check. Okay, is smaller function will be telling us, okay, is smaller function will be telling us which is the smallest pair. Okay, we already discussed how we write the code. Okay, so using this is smaller function, we will be passing two values. Okay, v of j. Okay, v of j, that means we are passing each and every pair. Okay, because j loop is continuing and we are comparing it with the first index, because we are comparing with the like one by one, we are comparing with the all index, right? So we are comparing it with the first index. Okay, which we have initialized with 0 with I. Okay, so whatever the minimum element is there, okay, whatever the minimum element is there, that element, okay, because this is a smaller function, will be returning the smallest pair, right? That index we will be storing in the minimum index, okay, that j index we will be storing in the minimum index. At last we will be swapping the v of I with v of minimum index, right? So this way our sorting will work, and this way we will be getting our sorted pair. Okay, simply here we are taking our input. Okay, so we have taken the value of n. Suppose if the input is given in the strings, we can use getLine function. We already discussed. We are creating the vector of pair. Then we are using the string stream for taking the input. We are separating it by comma. Okay, if it is given in string, we are separating it by comma. Okay, we already discussed how to take input, right? Then we are pushing it in our vector. That's how we are storing our vector. Then we are passing it in our custom sort function. Finally, we are printing our vector. Okay, I think this is clear. So this way we can perform the whole operation. Also, the code link you will be getting in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to prepare, the mock test series will be in the description.